Yeah, big up all my Jamaica Walk by Massive. Oh my God, it's an epic, unbelievable show here at Plantation Cove in St. Anne's, and it's all about Buju Banton and Beres Show, crazy artists. I know in this video I'm just gonna show you the entire vibe of going inside of the show and show you what go on in the show. So it's not all about the show itself, as in the performance. It's all about the enjoyment of the show and the actual vibe of the show. So persons can see what it is like if you're not here. What it is like to go inside of the event.
Jamaica!
What Jamaica Walk by my boss. Big up and respect always. You see me I say?
Every time.
That is it, man. No doubt. Jamaica Walk by.
Alright.
How old is that? Jamie Fox?
Just like that.
Big up your day, my boss. Respect our manners. So yeah, it's a vibe, it's an energy. Start off nice and thing. You don't know, big up to GMA Fox. You understand? It's a whole energy. So this is what the vibe look like at Plantation Cove going inside of the event. So far, tell you the truth, Bugle perform already, Master Giffis perform already, and a few other persons perform already. So if you watch this now, you're not going to hear them then at the background or stuff like that. This is actually the vibe of us going in. The traffic was super crazy, so we not make it in time for reach here early like how we did really want to reach. So I'm there with my brother, Extreme Arts. You understand? Make sure you follow Extreme Arts, all of the biggest video them and all of them thing there. Subscribe, follow him on Instagram at Extreme Arts JA. See? Inquire on the videos them. This is the guy, my brother.
Yeah,
so we're there. Which time we are going on?
Anyone you know? You ready?
You ready? Let's do this. Thank you. So yeah. So far I tell us that the show actually booming already with the excitement. Outside people still are buy tickets and stuff like that. And it's just great. X. Somebody over there saw shout him. You understand? Yeah. So we're there and we are trying to go in. So let's see the roll vibe. So you don't know, this section is all about you being searched. If you see one where you have no contraband and all them things the inside of the event, and make sure say you're clean and everybody want to be safe. You see me I say, no joke, no doubt, let's go. Everybody I work overtime. Yeah. Come through a walk with mommy. Yeah man, no problem man. So, no, none of that. No my friend. Yeah.
Say that.
Yeah. So battery bank and a bed care. And that's it. Alright. Big up yourself, one love here. Alright, so I don't know. We just passed the security checkpoint and thing. And we are head inside of the event. No doubt. So big up on my Jamaica Walk by Massive. Please may I ask start liking the video if you're not yet like the video. If you're not subscribed to Jamaica Walk by, please subscribe. See? So it's all about intimate. Buju Banton, Beres Hammond Buju. I win. There's so much artist book. Winnie Wonder. Yo, no joke, no doubt. Where's the Romain Virgo? Oh my word. Big up to Romain, I'm a virgin that. You understand? Yeah. So for your fast, that's the section you know, which is the check area. You know, so this is supposed to be the ticket area, which are them I go check the tickets and thing. Go through my brother. So far we actually have a general ticket because you know we want to capture the vibe in the crowd and stuff like that. So we go with a general ticket that way that we can walk around easily. Got the food section them and see all I think them on the menu. See? Yeah, so this is actually Plantation Cove. As people forwarding. It is actually early right now. It's just a little bit after 9 in the PM. You see me? Also, let me look back on the time now. Cause X say no, I thought when the time reaches X, say I tell me say, yeah. So my bad for that. A whole heap after 10. As we are march and go in. See? Yeah, let's do this. Plantation Cove, Intimate, the big show. Big up Father Beres. Don't know, big up Father Buju. Yeah. Romain just graced the stage. Big up to Romain Virgo. Oh yes! Yeah. So since we have general, we actually are forward on the right. You understand? Yeah. Massive crowd. So I'm gonna try give you the experience as if you are here. Cheer a sell and all them things there. So if you don't have no cheer next year, yeah, cheer there and you can get it at the event. Man. See some clothes here, some merch and beer things. Yeah. Take a walk, massive. So yeah, so far you don't know, we just reached and I tell us say hungry I bleed, XM I'm hungry. So let's go. Good night. Photo booth. Red stripe photo booth. So it's not just a show I go on, I tell them. So massive, this is not just a show, it's like a treat at Plantation Cove. Intimate. So you don't know X-ray say, all of them things are food, you know. And look at the food section, them full. Whole heap of options. Massive food like crazy. Romain Virgo on stage while we are still go on. You see me I say? Yeah. Let's do this.
I want a line long now.
I said the line are long, so you look like I eat this.
Yeah, man, I eat this.
Anytime you go one of them events and a massive and you see line long, so you better know, you know. See I eat. Alright, so make we just get a little shots of what go on as extra get some food. Great J back. Big up and respect all is well. Heart of love so. Yeah. Yo, me I tell you, say the scent of the food just not normal right now. I deal with me nose wicked. As Romain Virgo perform, let me check out the food section. Yeah. You say fine where you take on?
What options today?
What options?
Yes, is there. So they don't know see soap already. You know me a soap man already.
You say what did they say? Tell them what did they?
Boy, I see the soap pot there. You don't know me a soap man already. You know.
Yeah.
You don't know the thing, we have to find where soap.
Yeah. Yeah, Bingy, we say have some herbs.
Yeah, man.
Big up and respect, no man.
Just enjoy the herb for the service of man, you know.
Yeah.
And the grass or the cracker, you know.
Figure
The
that.
herb they have to detox and clean the blood, you know.
Clean out the body.
Yeah, man, clean out the body and make the stay strong and healthy, you know.
That is
because
it.
herb are purotherapy. You don't
Figure
work
that.
like doctor and medicine, you have to take your work same time. You know, you work for 1 year, 10 years, 5 months, until you don't dissolve the sickness. Till you just get rid of it.
Side
Take
work.
out the root of it. So you're true enough, you happen 1 week or 1 month, you cuss and say no good. Herb are the healing of the nation, black people.
That is it.
So use up the herb.
So how we can reach you if you actually...
Well, I know going on the mountain, you know, Hills of Bashan, and Malvern Sentinel, now I've been the tabernacle. And name Ross Earthquake, you know. See,
Ross Earthquake?
Yeah, man, and chant now I've been the tabernacle in Malvern.
That is
African
it.
Liberation Day. The OAU, Organization of Africa Unity. And the Selassie are the founder for it, you know. They make America know, say them set up the League of Nations and become United Nation now. So Your Majesty are the founder and implement it, you know, with the all Africa government to come under one and do Africa affair and start the Europe and Rome because of fire and earthquake in Babylon.
That is it.
Cheers.
Blessed
Give
Lord.
thanks
See?
again. Rastafari.
Respect. Yeah. Father X. I'm good. So yeah, massive. So this is the energy right about now at Plantation Cove. You know what I mean? Yeah. Big show. So, you know, I'm gonna capture the vibe. I'm not all about the show itself. You know, many persons will be capturing the show. So if you want to see the stage show itself, you can actually just go ahead and get that. You see me? You can get that show there on one part of more persons platform. But for now, make we show the vibe and what go on down so. So food and things every part of that show you just know say you can get food like crazy. So you don't have to eat at your yard. Look good. First massive plantation co-op this packed. Believe me, the crowd is insane. Line for food is crazy. Look at this crowd.
We're not gonna lie, that's up here. It's nice, but I'm on for real. Yeah, this part of the show is called Talk Back to Me. All the people being supporting Romain Virgo from all together sing their to put your hand in the air. All the people being supporting from Rising Star Dance, put your hand in the air. That was a test. That was a test. I'm gonna see how true that is. If you've been supporting me from so long, then you know songs like this.
A massive plantation co-op ram. Romain Virgo. Let me get my phone. Need to call my baby. Whoa. Feeling right. Wanna be wrapped up. Oh Lord. Yeah, massive as a roll through. Even nuts outside. Yeah.
Jamaica walk by.
One Jamaica walk by, me teacher, big up and respect the man. Heart and love.
The old lady too, you know.
Oh yeah, touch me the man. Easy the man, you're outside.
Outside.
Yeah,
Outside.
one love on the front.
Cleveland, Ohio.
Cleveland.
Brooklyn, New York.
Oh, big up Brooklyn now man. Love it over there. One love. Outside I go and do it. Make sure you watch the video and see yourself, see? Yeah, make sure when you comment and say, I me that. Let me that boy. One love. Guidance for the road, see?
Right,
big up every time. So we outside. It's a vibe, it's a energy, man. Heart of love to all our supporters, them as we go through. See? Alright. Yeah, man, you can talk to me. Right. Tell us what's up at the tent, Kingston. Let me show you good. Alright. You see that one there? That one there right there, so with the green?
Yeah.
Right there, same there. See? Yeah. As we go through. So I could see if I can go on a vibe like on a day, you know. This is the experience, don't you? Look on the crowd. Look on the crowd. This is the biggest I've seen plantation co-op with crowd.
Them say don't rush the show, so what is?
a general just tell me say I'm a 16-year-old. Which part? Tell the man if it's about head. Ain't nobody tell nobody here. As far as if I'm today, that's 31. Touch me. Seal it, you know. One love, heart of love. See it? Blessings always. Hope you enjoy the show too. Alright. One love, my boss. Yeah. So massive when I check it out. You know the red stripe them out here. Red stripe mood. With all of them goodies here. This nice beautiful lady here.
2025. Big up Ashford Williams from Toronto, Canada. Big up everybody in Jamaica. One love.
Big that.
So we say.
Send a big up all your friends and then nice beautiful Dahlia with the side of you.
All my friends. My sister. Hello. Happy New Year.
Heart of love. It's a blessing. Darling. Big that. Hey, big up somebody for you.
Big up Auntie Tisha. Big up Sheena.
Yeah. Alright, big up on yourself, you hear that? One love. Yeah man, it's a nice vibe, it's a nice energy as you walk through. You know we go.
Romain Virgo. All the ladies who love Romain Virgo, let me see you put 2 hands in here once more again. I can't say that man, turn the light on the crowd, let me see now. Let me see the 2 hands in here, you love Romain Virgo. All the ladies are now make the man beat up their body, put 2 hands in here like that. Let me go, do you know the song? Come on. I wanna take care of you, baby. I wanna take care of you, baby. Oh,
like at the event. It's a massive event. This place is extremely big, huge. And I'm telling you, thousands of people. Look at this. Romain Virgo.
around this country, around this world, who are walking around, but they are so hurt. I wish I could heal you all from the pain that you're going through right now. Jeez. All the people inside you right now, who are born on nothing, man, I'll ask you right on the deal right now. Let's say this Jamaica 2025. We're not going to further with them nothing, man, in the environment. All who are born on nothing, man, put your hand on the air, put up some lighter, if you got them too. This is the message for the night, for me, listen. Jamaica, when the big time go back home. If you don't know anything, you're gone. No matter what you think, it's too late. What? I write down up the sound, the alarm. When the big time go back home. You don't know anything, you're gone. And if you know you're not say a thing, say you don't think. It's big stages, you know. Big up to Mr. Beres Hammond, big up to Mr. Buju Banton for giving me this opportunity to be here tonight, to stand and give you my message. Big up to Donovan Jamaica, blessings every time to see you. See, but I've been doing this from way back. You all know how far it's coming from all together 6 days, rising stars. And when I was 17, I started taking music to a different level because of Mr. Donovan Jamaica. See, I didn't know much about love, but I wrote some love songs. Question again, if you been supporting Romain Virgo from All Together Sing Rising Star Days, you make some noise! That was a test once more. I bet you nobody remember this song. Here we go! Yeah.
much and it's just great.
Now this is the part of the show that we break it down a little bit. You know. Can I sing for you now?
Yeah. So I pretty much walk out the event to make us see all the place set up and thing. And I say Plantation Cove is a massive place. And let me tell you, the place is not absolutely full to capacity, but it's the most persons I've ever seen here at this venue. People like sun grain and rice. Yeah, man. Buy Romain Virgo on stage. As we just walk through and show you what going on. As you can see, fence area, fence off and thing, you know, if you can go backstage and all of that. And all of the VIP and so on and stuff like that. You see, as you can see over there, so too, full of rock. Jamaica walk by, Romain Virgo on stage. So rain a Jew and thing. But Romain. This is the vibe, oh my word. I'm telling you, Romain Virgo really shelling it.
Now listen, could you turn on the light to the crowd? I got a special song for a special someone. I can't see. She is wearing a red dress tonight. Hey. Oh, babe. See you hiding. Oh, Lord.
They're at the Guinness sign. It's 1 out. 1 out.
There's one thing I want you to do. Yes, please. Can I do this for you? Listen. Dreads again.
Red strike, wrong strike.
Take me back to the beginning.
Magnum, Red Bull, wrong strike.
So yeah, massive. So we actually just walk through the crowd a little bit, show you how the energies feel like in the crowd and thing. And I'm telling you, this event is actually well put together. Right now I'm actually hungry, you know what I mean? So, you know, it's my time to get a little bit of food, little bit of refreshment before the main act them actually, well, many of the main act actually dip on the stage right now. I mean, I tell you, look on the food area. So you know me have to go giant line and all of that and the whole works and things. So let me see if I can wheel and forward again when Beres Hammond Buju Banton or Buju Banton touch the stage. You see me? So in this video, you don't know me, just capture the vibe how we down here stay like, and we're gonna see exactly how the place set up. I hope you enjoy the video, you know what I mean? Nearly 1 hour me actually walk through the crowd so you can see what go on from food to all of the good stuff. You see me I say? Vice Romain Virgo on stage. Not sure who's gonna be performing next, but so far the night is young, the night is early, and loads of other persons actually dip on the show book to perform. You see me? The ladies them out, whole heap of general out and be things. But me I tell you now, we need some food. You see it? Because it's been a long drive and the traffic did just wicked for forward down here. You see it? So it's all love, it's all blessings. How that? One ex look like him not even get no food all now, bro. Yeah. We are telling me say, we go walk for an hour and you not get no food?
Please,
what
I'm telling you, organizers when I keep them event there, just make sure so the food things set up properly. I want to know what my day in that taste is line and wait to them.
And what
I'm reach, them and tell me say soup not ready, right?
Yeah.
And by the time I go over there, I just buy 2 party, 45 minutes a party.
Yeah.
By the time I go over my party, the soup there, them and tell me say them have soup. So I wait 1 hour and they tell me say the soup there, I go over other part of the soup there, and I go over back and show them something, say yo, I just catch and soup. You're going to tell me say yo, I go back highline.
Bro, Vex! Yeah, massive. So they're going to try to see if you can get some food. Hope me not unfortunate like X. Right now, X. Vex! Oh, me not go over the side. Me not even want to see it. Look at the line. Blouse and skirt. I don't line that, brother. Look at the line. Yeah. Tastings get a L. Anyhow you get extreme aspects in there, you know say a L. Yo, the line long your friend. Look for the line. I tastings line that. Look good. Jesus peace. As you hear me explain, so big up and respect me massive. No joke, no, we're outside. I'm gonna see me can get some food and capture the rest of the show. Hopefully when Buju Banton touch the stage and thing. I say a whole heap of acts and a general ticket we have, so we're not gonna there at the stage front and all of that. I know enough more people are gonna have the performance them, but I try to get the Beres and the Buju Banton. See? Mad love, mad respect. Go outside. Mad.